Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, this is a gentle reminder for all of you that we are starting with the cost and management accounting batch, fresh batch sir, on 14th of January 2021 on YouTube. The complete batch is going to be there on the YouTube, right? Absolutely free of cost for you people. So you have to share it with the maximum friends that who can take the benefit from these lectures, right? So the batch date is 14th of January 2021. That is less than 24 hours to go for the batch to start, for the first video to be uploaded on the YouTube, right? So get ready guys, get ready with your handbooks, get ready with your notebooks, and really an overwhelming response I have got for the handbooks, and really good to see that people are absolutely ready for the batch. They say, sir, we have got the handbooks, our notebooks are ready, just we are waiting for the batch now. So less than 24 hours for the first video, right? So get ready and tell me in the comment box how excited are you for this batch. This batch is for May 2021, November 2021 and onwards attempt, a complete course of cost accounting on YouTube, right? A few queries, one or two queries that I wanted to address that I have been getting from many students, that sir, is it going to be a live batch so we can know the time? Guys, this is not going to be a live batch, right? It is going to be a recorded batch, and there is no issue with the time. Just you have to do is you have to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload the video, you will get the notification that yes, the video is uploaded, now we have to study it. Okay, on 14th of January you will be getting two videos. One video you will get in the morning, that will be an introduction to the subject, that how we are going to go about with the subject, in which order we'll be covering the whole course, right? There are 17 chapters that we have to cover, in which order we'll be covering that, right? How to score maximum marks in this subject I'll be telling you. Okay, and what all we have to study, we'll discuss which are the most important chapters. So that will be an introduction chapter, that how we have to study this subject of cost and management accounting, right? And then you will get another video in the evening on 14th of January, that in which we'll start with the first chapter, that is basics of costing, right? From there on, that means from 15th you will get regular videos on YouTube. On every day you will get a video, and you have to study from that video. And believe me guys, if you study, if you plan according to what I'm telling you in the videos, what I'll be telling you during the lectures, that how to revise, what to practice, where to practice, how to practice, if you can go about with this, believe me, you are going to boss this subject, right? Nobody can beat you in costing, then that is my guarantee to you people. If your concepts are clear and if you follow my tips, that how to prepare for the examination, you won't need a second revision for this subject, and you will absolutely boss the subject in the examination, right? That's what our main aim is. Okay, so this is a small reminder plus information for the batch starting on 14th of January. Less than 24 hours left, right? That's why I've given 1 day to go, sir. Less than 24 hours left. So you have to tell me how excited you people are. And another information is, guys, that for 13th and 14th of January, for 2 days, we are giving 25% off on ICAI study material question discussion series of costing and FM, which you can avail from our mobile app, right? The mobile app link is given in the video description. You can download the mobile app from there, go to the store section, register on the app first, then go to the store section. From the store section you can get the courses, right? So there is 25% off for 2 days, that is 13th and 14th, and believe me, that course is really important for you people. You can secure around 50 to 60 marks from that course, right? Costing is available, financial management is available, but currently available in Hindi only, right? Not in English. I'll be I'm trying hard to get it in English also as soon as possible. Currently it is available in Hindi only, right? So all those who can understand Hindi, they can go for it, right? So see you guys, the first lecture, less than 24 hours, share with the maximum people. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.